Hello guys, I'm Blaine. If you want to know how to DIY use Siren and notifications as you want, you will need today's course. Now let's see how to use trigger to make default indoor siren to ring as what we want. So first get into the indoor sirens device page and click this 3-point icon and choose trigger. And in this page, we need to use default indoor siren bell because this is the only one related to the ring status. And add a new trigger. Now we can choose its condition. And then we can just choose when motion detected, it will ring. Choose power on. And now we can edit the details of this ring, like the duration and the volume. And play audio, remember to choose this. You can choose alert or alarm. It's two different styles of the ring. Okay, now at last we can choose delayed or not. And save it. Okay, now it is saved. Okay, let's see its effect. And more, you can also set the schedule of this trigger. Here, choose a schedule of the trigger. Like we want it to run when we are not at home. And pause it when we are home. Now it is okay. The schedule was set. And we can also show how to use AI Builder to let the siren ring as what you want. The basic idea also condition and action. But this time, we have to turn on the AI Builder function at the beginning. So let's get into settings and choose advanced function options and choose AI Builder masters. Click yes and turn it on. Now you can use AI Builder function. Click plus automation. Like here, I just show how to create an empty AI template. Choose a smart station. Okay, let's let it have a name. AI of Ring. Then choose graphic edit. Let's create a device control block and edit the details of this block, like it can display on home and let it title be more specific. And let it can choose the specific device type. Here we can just choose default indoor siren. So now it show up here. So we can just choose indoor siren in this page. And remember to choose default indoor siren bell so we can make the ring act. In action, please choose the action about default siren and let it power on. And we can choose some details like the sound duration and volume of the ring. And please choose the play audio, alert or alarm, these two styles of the ring. Let us show on the home. detail of the ring. Okay, and let the condition can be choose. Like if I just want motion sensor to be chosen in this AI builder, so I can just we can root the format of this condition. Choose its format. Motion sensor. And this time we need to choose me. It's kind of the data format. So here, now we can choose motion sensor. As the condition, we can choose motion. So in this AI builder, when the motion sensor detect motion, then the siren will ring as the conditions you choose. And if you have more ideas, you can also choose different condition and choose different block type to make this AI builder as the way you want. Okay, this is just a simple sample. Now let's save it so it can be seen on the automation page. AI offering, and you can also choose the schedule of this automation, like schedule to resume it or schedule to pause it.
Hi guys, this is Zoe. We just learned about the trigger and AI builder of defect series. When the defect motion sensor detects motion, it will trigger the defect indoor siren alarm. So can we receive the message on the app when motion is detected? The answer is yes. We need to do the send message trigger or send message AI. Let's take a look at how to set up the send message trigger first. Also take the defect motion sensor as an example. Enter the trigger page. Choose Defect Motion Sensor Motion. Then Edit Conditions. Trigger source, please select the device itself, Defect Motion Sensor. Then set trigger conditions to Motion. Click on Perform Action and input the content of the message you want. Save it and the send message trigger is done. If we need to receive message not only for ourselves, but also for our family members, then we need to do send message AI. First, pick the send message AI we need from the AI library. Start to configure. Trigger conditions, please select Defect Motion Sensor Motion. And select the accounts you need to send the message to. Then input the content you want. Save it and the send message AI is done. Okay, the About is all about Trigger and AI of Defect series. Open the app and create the trigger and AI you need.